Hello, this is Irvin from Resilience Occupational Therapy. I want to talk in this video about side sleeping. Now you'll notice I'm laying in this position. Let's not focus on my legs for now. There is definitely a discussion about having some support between the knees and such, but we won't cover that in this. We'll be mostly focusing on the shoulders. So in this position, you'll notice my hand is underneath my head to support the pillow and give myself a little more support. This is overextending my shoulder and causes some extra strain. In general, you don't want to fall asleep in an end position at the sort of stretched position of any joint, be that your neck, for having too big of a pillow where you're straining your head this way, or no pillow at all where you're straining your head this way. You want something that is going to support your head well. So maybe you need two pillows, but you don't want to be sticking your arm underneath because aside from the compression that can give to the arm and possible nerve challenges there, it also is overextending your shoulder joint and just not a good place to be resting in. So if you're resting here, there becomes two additional questions. What do you do with this shoulder? This hand is a little uncomfortable. Either it's extended here or it's kind of sitting here. It's just not the most comfortable. Maybe you can find a place that's good here, but ideally you're going to want another cushion to hold on to. So this is an extra wide cushion. Just a thin pillow like this would work. But the advantage of this extra wide cushion is that this shoulder also has something to rest on. So now, good neutral position for this shoulder, good neutral position for this shoulder, and you can rest. There's only one thing wrong with this position though, and if you're having any sort of additional shoulder pain, is I'm resting directly on this shoulder joint. I might want to just shift in a little bit. So I'm just rolled so that I'm not 90 degrees to the table. So the shoulder is in a little more relaxed position and that ball joint is not digging into the table, giving soreness as the night goes on. So I'm slightly off center, I'm holding on to it. One more thing, my back is not really supported. My shoulder is being jammed in a little bit, and my back is not exactly the most level. So what we can do for that is take an additional pillow, and you make a trough. So you've got a trough here to put your arm into, your shoulder into. Now you have some of the natural support, and we might, in this case, we probably have to fold this pillow over now. We have the natural support, and your shoulder can rest into that trough. You're not jamming all the way down onto that shoulder joint, and you're giving some degree of support for the back. Now you got to play around with this. This pillow feels a little too thick for this particular activity for me. You might want a smaller, like couch throw pillow kind of thing. So you have that. You make sure you got a good thickness here, having a trough for your shoulder to go into here, and another pillow to hug. All these things can help with your back, both shoulders, and your neck, finding a good neutral position to rest in. I know sleeping is tricky. I know that the most important position to sleep in is the one you can get sleep in. But I also know that we can wake up in a lot of pain if we're not being conscientious with how we rest. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sleep well.